Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome, 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 welcome. I hope everybody is doing okay. I hope everybody is just out there doing what they do. Welcome, 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 guys, to this presentation, guys. As individuals continue to go on, we are yes streaming in several different platforms. So if you can, go ahead and actually let us know what city and state that you are chiming in from. Okay. And also, guys, if you're on one of those platforms and you need to share it out to your friends, to doing watch parties or whatever you need to do, so go ahead and do so because we are going to be sharing. We are going to be actually sharing of a home-based business, guys, that many individuals, guys, are looking for a home-based business now. And we are going to share what MWR Financial is doing. MWR Financial, guys, is looking for individuals that truly want a home-based business. Okay. They're truly looking for individuals that want a home-based business. And that's what we're going to go over right now, guys. So I'm going to let individuals continue to actually join. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. Yeah, so we've got individuals from Raleigh, Charlotte, Mr. McCray. How you doing, sir? Maryland is up in here. Atlanta is up in here. Raleigh again is up in here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Individuals continue to join us. Go ahead, guys, if you can. As I always have to tell individuals when I go live, go ahead and grab a pen and a pad. Go ahead and grab a pen and pad, if you will, okay? Because we are going to take questions. We are going to take questions at the end of the presentation that you're going to be able to go ahead and make a comments or chat in the questions. We're going to actually take some of those, but we do not want you to forget the question that you have because you're going to the information. One thing we understand is the paper never forgets. So as you get that question, go ahead and write it down real quick, okay? And we're going to give you instructions at the end of the presentation. Let me go ahead, guys, and get my screen up right now. All right, get the PowerPoint presentation up right now, guys, as we are going to go ahead, guys, and present to you. But before I do that, for those that do not know me, let me introduce myself first. Okay, for those that do not know me, my name is Terrence Hawkins. I am one of the founders here at Team No Limit. Okay, I'm one of the founders here at Team No Limit, guys, and we are just a team of like-minded individuals that's helping individuals with this home-based business. But professionally, guys, I have been in the financial industry for a long time now. Started doing taxes when I was 15 years of age. My father taught me how to do taxes right now. I founded Hawkins Accounting and Tax Service. We've been in business now for 25 years. My wife is running the thing and I mean, just banging it up right now, guys. But we have been people throughout the country. But guys, I'm more proud of being able to go from city to city and state to state, being able to educate individuals about tax savings, helping people to put more money in their pocket. The bottom line, okay? Helping people to put more money in their pocket, guys. And one of the things in doing that, guys, I tell individuals, everybody should have a home-based business. There's a difference between just a business and a home-based business. So I tell individuals, get yourself a home-based business. And they say, why? I say, guys, because you can save on average, write this down, on average, $300 to $600 a month on your taxes. On average, $300 to $600 on average per month on your taxes just by having a business. Because there's certain things that you can write off by having a business that you cannot write off, okay, if you do not have one. I see individuals still coming in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we want to make sure that you do that, guys. And again, I traveled throughout the country teaching that, and people were seeing those numbers, $300 to $600 on average. Did several different radio shows there. You see me on ESPN Charlotte, the game with show called Coffee and Cash Flow with Stephen and Anthony. Had an awesome time actually there, guys, and still doing that. I'm all about education, so I hope you're going to get some education tonight as well. Okay, but more importantly, hope you actually seeing that, hey, you know what? I need a business. And MWR Financial is probably the business that I want. And we're going to give you instructions at the end of the presentation. Okay, guys? So here we go. Let's talk about why I'm actually doing this as well. Okay. A lot of people actually say, Terrence, You're successful in your tax industry. You're an enrolled agent, simply means that you're able to represent clients throughout the country. You've been doing amazing things in the tax industry. You're set on several different boards, set on the boards of the university, set on the boards of the bank. You did all of those things. Why do you even need a home-based business? It's because I read this book. Okay. I read this book, Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. How many of you guys actually read that book? Some of you guys, if you hadn't read this one, you might have read Rich Dad Poor Dad, right? Or so Robert actually speaking. But one of the things that he talked about, guys, was this cash flow quadrant. He talked about this quadrant. He talked about that there was 4 different ways to earn income. 4 different ways to earn income, right? You can be an employee, self-employed, business owner, or an investor. And the more I read the book and listened to it and looked at things, I said, woo, okay. See, first I thought I was a business owner and doing it well. But I quickly actually saw that, hey, I was really in that self-employed quadrant. Guys, if you can actually chat up with me and stuff, just put a ES, a B, and I. Where are you in this quadrant? Where are you currently in the cash flow quadrant? Are you an employee? Are you self-employed? Are you a business owner? Or are you an investor? Let's do a E, a S, and a B, and an I for me, okay? Let's actually watch it for a second as well. Because he clearly said that 95% of individuals are on the left side of the quadrant. 95% of individuals are either on the E or S, employee or self-employed. But they only controlled 5% of the wealth. 95% are on the left side, only controlling 5% of the wealth. Well, that means that 5% of the individuals are on the right side. They're either business owners or investors, and they controlled 95% of the wealth. Now, something was wrong with that. Okay, something was wrong with that. Left side wanted to be what? To get to the right side. Now, at first I was thinking about this. I was like, well, I think I'm okay. I think I'm that business owner. I'm on the right side. I've been in business for a long time, been very blessed. We were able to actually work during tax season. At that time, take the rest of the year off. I said that time because we're year-round service, right? Now, but able to do that if we want. But that's when I learned a little bit more about what self-employed and business owners are. So a lot of individuals, if you're listening to me right now, you're probably self-employed. You're probably just like I was, self-employed. The thing is, guys, you got to understand whether you're employee or self-employed, you're trading your time for money. Your time for money. On the right side of it, you're using a thing called leverage. Write leverage down if you're taking notes. Leverage. You're using leverage over there. In the business owners, you're leveraging what? Individuals and people, right? People working with you to help you to make money. If you're an investor, you're leveraging what? Your money. It takes money to make what? More money. Well, I saw myself as a business owner. I say, wait a minute. I'm a business owner. I have people. I have staff. I have other people working for me to make me money. But that's when I realized, guess what? A business owner is really looked at to them as individuals that have a team or employees of 500 individuals or more. 500. Woo! I didn't have that, right? I didn't have that. And it was clearly when I started looking at this and started asking myself, Terrence, what would happen to you if you could not come to the office and work and do somebody's tax return, if you couldn't represent them before the IRS, if you couldn't do that offering compromise, if you couldn't help them on a consultation, what would happen if you couldn't do all of that? They're not going to pay you. If they're not going to pay you, and that means your money actually drops, what's going to happen to you and your family? I had to try to get myself over to the right side of the quadrant using leverage. So that's why, yes, not only teaching home-based businesses and why individuals need a home-based business, I say, you know what? I think I need that in my portfolio as well. Some of that residual type income. So that's why I started it. And guys, there's a lot of different businesses out there. There's a lot of different businesses out there. The Internal Revenue Service says as long as you have the intent to generate a profit, you actively participate, and you keep proper records, you can have a business. And if you have a business, you can start claiming expenses that are ordinary and necessary to the business that you have. And even if some of those expenses may have been personal, they can also be what? Business related, because the IRS said that some of those expenses you can combine a personal errand along with a business errand. You can write certain things off, in other words, certain things that you already are currently doing. But also you want to truly, truly make a profit. And then again, there's a lot of different businesses that you can actually do. The thing that I like about MWR Financial, guys, is simply this. There are individuals a part of this company that have a home-based business with MWR Financial, and they are working part-time. They're working part-time because they got the full-time job, full-time other businesses. But some of them, yes, are making hundreds of dollars a month. Some of them are making thousands of dollars a month. And guys, some of them are even making six figures a year part-time. That's some good stuff. And that's what we're getting ready to actually share with you this afternoon. Another opportunity actually for you to see what you want. First, let's talk about the mission of the company. MWR Financial, guys, is here to provide families with a complete financial makeover by providing them with the same financial strategies and solutions that's used by the wealthy. I kind of like that already, right? But one thing that I knew about business and counseling individuals, if you really want to have a business, you really need solutions to problems that's out there. So they're saying that, hey, financial strategies and solutions, that everybody have, but what problems are they solving with this complete financial makeover? Here are the problems, guys, because why they want to do that? Over 78% of Americans are currently living paycheck to paycheck. Is that a problem? You can either type it in or say it to yourself. Is that a problem? Is a problem that 78% of Americans, we supposed to be the richest country, guys. We supposed to have things going on. But 78% are living paycheck to paycheck. Some individuals, when we're talking to them, they say, we're not even living paycheck to paycheck. We're living paycheck to Monday. Because the bill is already gone, is already calculated before it happens, right? And we used to have to say that, but didn't we live that last year? Most individuals lived that in 2020. They lived in 2020 because they needed the stimulus, right? Really quick. They couldn't even wait. They wanted that $1,200. And this year, still, they wanted the $600. They wanted it quick. They didn't want to wait for it. They couldn't wait to the next paycheck. Then we also saw businesses didn't have cash flow as well. Cash flow businesses couldn't even wait a month, guys. And they was out of business real quick. And that's that business that you thought that had it going on. You saw that storefront. It's like, oh, I wish I was like them. They got a business and they got a business. And man, did they got all this? And all of a sudden, you see a lot of those businesses are what? Shut down. Cash flow problems. Don't let people fool you. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. That is a problem. Then you have 70% of Americans are paying too much in taxes. And I like to say during the year. Listen to what I'm saying. 70% of Americans are paying too much taxes during the year. What do you mean, Terrence? Here's what I mean. We live in a pay-as-you-earn tax system. Pay as you earn. As you earn income, you are to pay your taxes. If you are a W-2 employee and as you earn income, it's called federal withholdings. It comes out of your check. Well, if you're a self-employed business owner, you're earning income, you have to pay as you earn as well. It's called estimated tax payments. So we live in a pay as you earn tax system. Pay as you earn tax system. They're not waiting to the end of the year. If you try to, hey, no, I pay my taxes when I do my tax return, then I'll pay them. Okay, you can try that, but depending on how much you owe, you may owe a penalty. Why? Because you paid late. We live in a pay as you earn tax system. Now, here's the problem with that. When we say 70% of people are overpaying on their taxes, if your employer is taking money out of your check, every single paycheck during the year, they're taking that money and they're sending it to the government authorities on your behalf. Right? Now, when you're doing that tax return, all you're doing is seeing, did you do the pay as you earn tax system correctly? How did you do? How did it work out for you? Okay. Did you pay too much or too little? Did they take out too much or not enough? If they didn't take out enough, you owe more taxes. We understand what that is. However, if they pay too much, took out too much out of your taxes, send it to the government authorities, you get what is called a refund on the tax return. And that's something that we all excited about. We were so excited about that thing called refund. Guys, we've been conditioned to think that refund is something good, haven't we? We even choose our tax professionals now based on how much refund that we get. Have y'all heard out there people say, hey, you need to come to my tax guy because I get a refund every single year. That's what they're saying. Look at the tax return itself. On the tax return itself, the same line item that says refund clearly says this is the amount you overpaid. It's on the tax return. It's the amount you overpaid. So what's going on? What it's really saying, guys, is your place of employment took too much money out of your check during the year. Now, when you're doing your tax return, it's saying, hey, you overpaid during the year. Here's some money back. Here's money back for you. Now, guys, I got to ask you something for a second. Does that feel good to overpay people? How many of you would just like to overpay people and then be excited at the end of the year because you overpaid them during the year? You wouldn't be excited. We need to treat the Internal Revenue Service just like any other business we frequent. Just like any other business. If we wouldn't overpay even at the drive-through line going to get some food, if you overpay for just one drink, $1, any size, but if you overpaid, you want your money back. You would stop the drive-through line to get your money back. You're not going to wait until April the 15th to get your money back. You're not going to do that. You're not going to wait till like this year. They just started accepting filings on February the 12th. They're just basically saying, hey, we're not even want to know what you even did right or wrong until February the 12th. Then you can send your forms in and then later, a couple of weeks, we can give you your money back. How do y'all feel about that? We've been conditioned to think refund is something good, when in fact, 70% of us is overpaying. Internal Revenue Service said in 2016, the average refund for individuals was a little over $2,500. A little over $2,500, guys. That's an average of $200 per month. So I want you guys to start your vocabulary change as not saying refund ever again, but saying overpayment. Let's say what it really is, because it hit a little bit different. Instead of saying $2,500 in refund average, let's start saying $2,500 in overpayment. People overpaid an average of $2,500 during the year. Hits a little bit different, doesn't it? But 70% of people are doing that. Is that a problem? Yes, it's a problem, because people could have used that $200 to do certain things. If people are living paycheck to paycheck now, couldn't they use that $200, guys? Yes and no. Couldn't they use that? They could have used that. And that's what we're talking about. Let them use that, all right? Let them actually use that. Now, 80% of Americans have credit challenges. Somebody say problem. 80% of Americans have credit challenges. Is that going to be better or worse coming up? What do you think? Because people had credit problems before, right? They got credit problems now. Do you think it's going to be better or worse later? Well, what just happened this year when people are getting laid off, people getting cut, their hours getting cut, people not getting raises, but price and services of goods going up? That's inflation, right? Are people going to have projected to have more credit problems, guys? Yes. If already 80% individuals have credit challenges, guys, that's already a problem. It's going to be a bigger problem coming up. It's going to be a bigger problem. That's a problem. Okay. Let's go on to the next one, guys. 90% of Americans are buried in debt. Buried in debt. Have y'all heard out your people that, been talking about getting out of debt for years and years and years and years and years? They've been talking about getting out of debt for a long time, haven't they? Trying to get out of debt, trying to get out of debt, trying to get out of debt, still in debt. How many people's gone to those meetings and stuff? You're going to, organizations have meetings about getting out of debt. You're going through church, have meetings about getting out of debt, and have classes about getting out of debt. You're on TV shows and you're buying books and you're doing all those things, trying to get out of debt. And yet 90% of Americans are still buried in debt. Is that a problem? That's a problem. The last one, 70% have less than $5,000 saved at age 65. 70% have less than $5,000 saved at age 65. That's a real problem. Because age 65, I hope that people are wanting to retire if they hadn't already retired, right? But if 70% of the individuals don't have $5,000, how are they going to retire, guys? It's going to be hard. You see, think about those problems for a second, guys. Paycheck to paycheck, paying too much in taxes, credit issues, still in debt, no savings. Those are problems. See, MWR Financial, guys, have a solution. That's what that mission is all about, helping that right there, guys. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. If you had an opportunity to have a business that all you had to do was to refer individuals to MWR Financial, MWR Financial helps them with these issues that they may have. We don't have to know every person's problem. I don't need to know somebody have the tax problems or got the credit problems. No. I refer them to the company. The company have experts to help them. But then you get paid. That's the business. That is the business. Is that cool? That's cool, right? That is absolutely actually cool, guys. Let's actually look at what the company has. One membership includes everything that's needed. One membership includes everything that's needed. Write this down. Financial Edge membership. Financial Edge membership is one membership that includes your personal team of financial experts. Okay, these experts, guys, use the strategies to improve individuals' financial position. Now, you have possibly referred somebody you know to financial specialists before. You probably already did that. You referred them to somebody to get their taxes done. They was new in the city and they need help. You referred them to somebody that can help them with their credit, possibly, help them with debt, possibly, help them with retirement plan, possibly. Think about it. You may have referred somebody before. Okay. But how about do the same thing, but get paid for it? That's the Financial Edge membership. And our team, will help you and teach you and coach you all the way about how to even do that. See, this home-based business, guys, you're definitely not by yourself. You have a whole team, and our team No Limit to help individuals out. It's kind of cool, okay, to be able to do that. To real experts that's going to help them in 4 major categories. Tax, write this down, tax, credit, debt, and retirement. Those are the 4 core services that's within the Financial Edge membership. Now, see, all you need to know now, guys, is does this membership have value? What's the cost of this membership? Is it the cost of what, a Bentley, or is it the cost of a Maybach, or is it the cost of just a Mercedes, or the cost, can people afford it? People that got financial problems, can they afford it? And if they can afford it, what's in this membership? So let's actually go detailed in this membership so I can show you the value of what comes in this membership. Okay. Let's go into your value real quick. Number one, how many people that you would like to add, that would like to save on their taxes? See, we know people that want to save on their taxes, right? Let's talk about this value actually for a second. Number one, we know people that want to save on their taxes. I haven't talked to one person that said that, hey, they want to pay more in taxes. They want to save on their taxes. Taxes is the tax talk right now. I mean, it's the talk of the whole town of what's going on in elections. Always talked about. How about to have a service that gives individuals one-on-one consultations with real experts, enrolled agents such as myself? We are so proud to actually be the vendor of MoneyMax, to be able to help the members of MoneyMax that have this membership when they need consultations. Doesn't matter what about. Do they want to tax strategy to save on their taxes? Do they want to know, should they take taxes here and put it there? What should they actually do? Okay. One of the things actually we actually make sure is that you're not overpaying during the year, because we make sure that we do the W-4 form for you. It's called their strategy 1. If you decide to actually have a business, we want to make sure that you're doing everything possibly to minimize your tax liability and remain compliant at the same time. Okay. Yes. Your personal expenses can turn into business deductions. Some of you have heard that there's ways that you can write off your vehicle. Yes, but you need to know how to do it the right way. Some people heard that you can actually write off your meals. Yes, you can, but let's do it the right way. Some people even heard that, hey, I heard that you can hire your own kid. You hire your own child for your business and write that expense off, and they don't have to pay taxes on their money. Yes, you can, but you don't know how. How about have unlimited consultation with those questions, guys, and a setup so that you are getting what you need to save on your taxes? And how about even to just review your last 3 years of your tax return to see if you maximize everything in? These are real companies, guys, such as myself. We doing this 25 years in business, helping the members out. This service is included in the membership. It's included in the membership. So if you ever have referred somebody to a tax specialist before, you already did this business. But in this business, you can be like the thousands of other individuals and get paid for it while having a home-based business. Kind of cool. Okay. Kind of cool, guys. Anything you need. And one great feature that I really like is the Ask an Expert. The Ask an Expert. You get to sit there and any question you have, guys, you get to chat, just like a chat machine, right? In your back office, you can chat the question up. Whatever question it is, check it up. Boom. You get the answer. Real experts. That's what we do. Okay. That comes along with it. If one of your biggest expenses, probably your biggest expenses, is taxes, don't you need the experts to help you to save some of that, to stop paying as much? That's what we do all day long. Okay. Next one is credit. Okay. Again, do you know somebody that had these problems? You can refer people. How many people do you think that would like to increase their credit? Right? If we have all those individuals with credit issues, don't you think some of them would like to increase their credit? And not just increase credit. Guys, this is not one of those actual quick little service that says that, with just late payments, charge-offs, after repossessions, the blah, 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 come off. Yes, this company has been around for 30 years. 30 years. They have already helped over 100,000 individuals. Already helped over 100,000 individuals already to basically increase their credit score. The average has been in between 50 to 150 points in as little as 2 to 8 months. That's been the average. Some higher, some lower. That's the average of doing so. But the thing that I like about them, guys, they look at the total credit score, just not one part of the credit score. What do you mean, Terrence? One part of credit score, guys, is your credit history. Those are what you hear a lot when people says, hey, they can help you with repossessions, charge-offs, bankruptcy, all those kind of things. Yes, those things have came off, but that's only 35% of your score. So what happened with the other 65%? See, the other 65% is your profile. That's part of your profile. You need to know what types of credits to have and how to use credit. I can say honestly, guys, that was my first problem. Got my first credit card in college. Had no job, got a credit card, did not know how to use it. This is not taught in schools. Nobody taught me how to use it. And because I didn't know how to use it, guess what? End up with less than perfect credit. Okay? And mine, I'm going to be honest, it wasn't just less than perfect. It was bad. Okay? It was bad. You need to have the education part of it as well. You need to know about installment loans. You need to know about revolving accounts. You need to understand those. And you need to get the information so that you can pass it on to your family members and your kids as well. So they do not have to get into bad financial problems as well. That's what it's all about. This, guys, is included in the Financial Edge membership. So far you got Money Max is included. And this is Credit Max is what? Included in the Financial Edge membership. That's the second core service. Let's go on with the third core service. Equity Max, guys, which is all about getting out of debt. Those people that we've been listening to, that trying to get out of debt and trying to get out of debt, have been trying and haven't got out of debt. Yeah, guys, one of the problems is they don't have a true system that continues to follow them. The thing that I like about this, guys, is the accountability. Okay. You're going to be able to, yes, take in all of your debts that you have, your mortgage, your car payments, your student loans, your just other loans, whatever you have, right? Be able to put it into a system. That system is going to generate, okay, a statement for you. And that statement is going to give you the best ways to get out of debt faster, guys. It's going to basically, your statement is going to tell you exactly what to do. It's going to tell you what to pay and how much to pay every single month. You're going to get a new statement that tells you that. Why? Because things may change, or you may come and buy something else or get another car to do whatever, but it's going to give you that every single month. That's accountability until you're out of debt. It's even going to tell you the month and the year that you will be debt free. It's going to tell you that. It's going to be, hey, this month, this year, you'll be out of debt. It's going to help you to keep you on track. Can't do it for you. It's going to help you and keep you on track. This is included in the membership. So those of you that's been trying to get out of debt and don't know how to get out of debt, you got a lot of debt, whatever. How about a system that's included in the membership? You can keep your same job, same income, same budget. And it's going to structure you to get out of debt in a half to a third of the time, if not sooner. Half to a third of the time is not bad by paying the same thing. You just need to know how to pay it and when to pay it. That's what you need to know. How about that, right? That's the third core service. Fourth core service, guys, for those people that would like to retire, but not only want to retire, but how about retire and stay retired? That's what I like. Retire and stay retired. Because we've seen people retire, but then we see them going back to work, all because they need an extra $600, $700, $800 a month, right? That's what they need. Guys, your money should be making more money for itself. But you have to position your money to do that. You got to position yourself and have them in what I call the right buckets. You see, there's 3 buckets of investing. You have a tax now bucket, a tax deferred bucket, and a tax free bucket. You need to know how much to have in each one of those buckets. How much to have it? Well, number one, you need to know what's in the tax now bucket, and then you need to know how much you need to have in there. You need to know what's in the tax deferred and how much of your money you need in there. You need to know about the tax free bucket, okay, and how much you need to have in there. But the best way you can have it, guys, is have somebody to talk to. You get unlimited consultation with real wealth experts. Again, certified individuals that's been doing this for their family for years already. They're going to give you a professional analysis to develop the best wealth plan for you and your family. That's what we're talking about, guys. That's what individuals get. Do we think somebody would need that? Yes. This is, again, guys, included in the membership. You get the membership, you're getting all of these. Okay. You can access either one you want. But you also, guys, got to learn how to self-bank. Meaning you got to learn how to earn money like the banks are earning money. Yeah, you need to learn about that. It's what we call the private reserve account. Guys, it's one of the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. You don't want to lose money in the market. How many people y'all think in 2020 they have lost money in the stock market? I was talking to actually somebody the other week, said that they made a lot of money in one of the tax nail things, tax I think it was Forex. Yeah, it was actually that. They said they made a lot of money. But then they said in 3 to 4 weeks, they lost all of it. They lost all of it. It goes up and down. How about to be able to not lose money as well and pull it out tax-free? Self-banking. And be able to use that money, guys, and it's still earning you more money, like you never took some out to use it. You just have to understand that. Okay? You got to understand that. You have to understand that part. Okay. Now, land banking. Okay. Also, have you ever thought about actually getting in real estate? But you just don't have anybody to help you out. Just don't have anybody to help you out or guide you in there. How about experts doing the work, research, and all those things, and be able to buy land 20 to 40% below market value? But then also get it in the path of growth. Maybe 8 years, 10 years. Maybe there's a mall that's coming. There's a hospital that's coming. Something coming there, right? But having those ideas to be able to do that. Some of you guys never thought that you would be able to do that is the key. But have an expert to be there to help you. Guys, this is one of the actually big ones, guys, because again, 70% of people not having $5,000 at age 65 is a problem. We are all getting older and getting close to it. I know we heard when we was 20 and 25, start saving. A lot of people didn't do it. They didn't do it at 30. They didn't do it at 35. Some actually started. But even the ones that we found out that did it at 25, did it at 30, they wasn't putting enough money into their retirements to be able to retire and stay retired. And some of them had them into the wrong vehicles as well, yes. But they was depending on, like nowadays, they was depending on their jobs, 401k and IRAs. That wasn't meant for retirement. That's a great savings account. I'm not saying that, right? But they're not able to retire and stay retired. One of the main reasons is because people live in paycheck to paycheck. You don't have enough to put in there. Don't let people fool you. You don't have enough to do it. Okay, guys? So that's just that. All of this, okay? All of this, guys, is included. Okay? All of this is included in the membership. Included in the membership. How cool is that? So that means you're going to get Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, Wealth Max. All of that is included in this membership. Everything that you need to succeed, those 4 core services, okay, with companies that's been doing it 15 years, 25 years, 30 years in business with their own clients already, been doing that. Okay, enrolled agents, certified financial planners, all that is included in there to help individuals out. Guess what? $79.97. Yeah, $79.97. And the spouse is included. $79.97 and the spouse is included in that. Yeah. See, I understand that when two people are joined as one, two people can also bring what? Tax issues. They understand two people can bring credit issues. Two people can have some debt issues. Two people, neither one of them know how they're going to retire, right? They don't know that, right? So include both of them. No setup fee, no monthly contract. Is that an awesome membership? Do you see why thousands of people are joining the company and using this membership? They may use some of these services before separately for individuals, but look at all of this in one membership for $80. That's kind of cool. And this is just a monthly membership actually for it, guys. It's kind of cool. It's big, actually. Okay, it's big. Now, here's the thing: is that value? If you think about a home-based business, okay, that you can have, that you can market this membership, $80 a month membership, that includes Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, Wealth Max. The experts are doing all the work for you. You don't have to learn how to do a tax return, how to do education, to get an enrolled agent license, get a CPA license. You don't have to do none of that. You don't have to learn how to write letters to the Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. You don't have to know how to calculate and do math to know about getting out of debt faster. You don't have to go and study to actually learn how to do your investments. You don't have to do any of those things. All you have to do is refer individuals to MWR Financial. They get this membership. Experts do all the work, but you get paid. That's the home business. And that's why thousands of individuals are joining this company as a home-based business. That's kind of cool, right? Now, I'm going to actually roll into the next part. Okay, the next part is I'm going to go over briefly how much money some of these individuals are actually making, okay, as far as how to make some money. There's 10 different ways that we can get paid, 10 different ways that we get paid. I'm not going over all 10 ways, okay? Not going to our 10 ways. I'm going to go over a couple of ways, okay, that individuals can actually get paid by referring to actual membership, okay? So here we go actually real quick actually about that. All right. You refer to membership. Let's say you refer to membership. You refer to your coworkers, your sorority sister, your family members, people that you know. We know them. You refer the membership. They're doing the $79.97 a month. You up front are making 50%. They do it first month. You're going to make 50%, okay, of that. So that's $40, okay? That's not bad at all. Okay. Then they have a thing that if you refer at least actually 3 customers, and after you do that, not only are you making the 50% up front, the $40 up front, but you're also going to start making $10 a month in residual income. Every time they make the $79.97, you're making 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. That's kind of cool. It's not going to make you just totally rich, right? But it's kind of actually cool to actually be able to do that, especially you're not doing any work. You know somebody, you refer, they get the membership, you can earn a commission off of that. Okay. Now, here's what I like about the company. The company has a refer 3 and yours free program for its customers. Okay. So let's say in this example, Jenny. Jenny is here. Jenny is got the $79.97 membership. You got paid the $40 from that. Then Jenny is actually see this incentive. Hey, if it works for her, she's just going to refer somebody else. She's not doing the business, so she's not making money. Okay. She don't have the home business. She's not making money, but she can refer individuals to get her membership for free. She'll refer 3 individuals to get her membership for free. Now, you, however, get paid the 40, 40, 40. How cool is that? Jenny refer a customer. Jenny is a customer. She refer a customer. You're getting the 40, 40, 40. Then those customers refer other customers. So they want their membership free. You're getting the 40, 40, 40. And so on and so on. It's 40, 40, 44, all the way down, guys. All the way down to unlimited levels. It doesn't stop. It's referring. These individuals, they are customers. Experts doing a good job. They're referring. You're getting paid. They're not making money. They don't want the business. They just want the membership referring, but you're still getting paid. That's cool. We got people just doing this, guys, and just boom, 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 without doing anything. Now, the company also said, hey, we're going to give them the opportunity to build a team, just like some real estate firms, just like some insurance companies. They say, hey, you know what? You can do that yourself, and that's great. That's all you want to do. But you can also build a team. And if you build a team, you can make up to 25% of the total team's income, up to 25%. That's not bad at all, okay? I'm not going to go over all the ways, but let me actually go over this way, okay? Because we call this the guaranteed income. Because that's a way that you can qualify for just the minimum amount off of the whole team. Minimum amount, okay? And that guarantee, and some guys, is $5 a day to $1,000 a day that you can earn, depending on the total team and memberships actually that I have. I'm just going to give you that this example. All we worry about as a team is qualifying. We help you to qualify for the guaranteed income. Qualifying for guaranteed income is, guys, you build a team of 3 individuals and have 1 customer. Okay. Now, you're making money other ways. Don't get me wrong. You're making money with your home business by marketing. Yes. But if you choose to build a team as well, okay, you're going to be able to make additional income. But we also have a guarantee when you choose to do that. And a guarantee to qualify 3 individuals on your team, 1 customer. 3 individuals on team, 1 customer. And you start off with $5 a day. $5 a day guaranteed. You can make $100 a day if you want, but you're guaranteed 5 with just 3 and 1. Okay. That's $150 a month. Okay. You're making profit. That's kind of cool. Now, as the team just grows, and the membership that's added on, I'm just going to use team as an example here, but the membership that grows, you're making more per day. The membership actually grows, team grows to 12 individuals on the team. That's $20 a day with $600 a month, $7,200 a year. The reason we highlight that right there, because that's significant for individuals. Individuals are going back to work to make $600 a month. They're going back doing part-time jobs and everything else to make $600 a month. If individuals had $600 more per month, they would have stopped foreclosure, bankruptcies, actual repossessions on average, right? But a team of 12, you just did 3 and 1. We just have everybody quantify, but a team of 12 is $600 a month, $7,200 a year. And all individuals do is refer individuals on the team to presentations just like you're watching right now. Okay. This continues to go on, guys. The team continues to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. You learn all of that in training. But once the team actually get up to 3,084 individuals, that's where the $1,000 a day is, or $30,000 a month. Now, you may be one that says, I never get to $1,000 a day. Okay. $30,000 a month. We don't have a person in the company yet at $1,000 a day. Okay. But we do have, a person at $500 a day. So if you're anywhere in between $5 a day to $500 a day, anywhere in between that, making a profit, saving investments. Y'all tell me actually where you are. Chat up for me. Are you at the more time level? Are you at the fire your boss level? Where are you? Okay. Are you at one of those levels right there that you're actually thinking about? Some people say, hey, I'd just be okay with security. That's there. Cummins has been around, guys, a year and a half. Okay. Started, officially launched was August of 2019. Not even 2 years yet. We got people already at the guarantee. And remember, this is just one stream of the income. This is just the floor. This is just the guarantee part here. That's not bad at all, guys. You see why a lot of people are doing this, right? I see some people chatting in that they want freedom, okay? They want the freedom part, okay? And I'm sure some people want the fire your boss part, right? Some people just say, hey, I just want a car. You may just start off, say, you know what? If I can just make enough just to cover my car payment, I'm good. Okay. If I can just make enough just to cover my car payment, I'm good. That's for a lot of individuals. And no problem with that. Because they had individuals that started. If I can just have enough to cover my car payment, then all of a sudden they're making enough for the house payment. The key thing is having options is the key. Having options and helping somebody else in doing so. And this is just a guarantee, remember. It's a guarantee. But I'm going to give you a couple of different things. I'm going to give you a couple of bonuses actually real quick. This is monthly bonus. You don't do anything different. And while you're building your guarantee, meaning your team just getting bigger, okay? That's all it is. All you do to actually qualify to just 3 and 1 yourself, and you qualify for all the level stuff, right? Just doing that. As your team continue to grow, that's another actually side that as your team gets to a certain point, guys, you're able to get our Presidential Club residual bonus. And that is 50 individuals on your team. Write that down because that's one of your goals, 50 individuals on your team. That starts off at $500 a month and goes up to $100,000 a month. 50 people on your team. How cool is that for just 50 people on your team to be able to get 500? Then it goes up to 1,000, up and up, right? Your team just grows. You're just working on guaranteed income. That's all we do. Okay? Is that. Let's go over another bonus real quick, monthly bonus. How about a vehicle, guys? Either 500, 1,250, or 3,000. Have a car. You can put some of it actually towards the house then. Okay? That's fine. But this is like a team of 40 people on your team. A team of 40 on your team starts off at the 500. That's not bad at all, okay? That's not bad at all. And you learn everything from just what? Working from home. Let's actually finish this up, guys, so real quick, and then we're going to go into some questions, okay? All right. Every business, of course, actually have a cost actually for a business, okay? This business, of course, you're going to get all of the materials, all the training from me, the other leaders that's actually here, guys. You got a whole academy in the back office that's there for you. Advanced trainings, get started trainings, there's a lot of that. You can train as much as least as you want, right? All the materials you need. You got the business center in your back office to basically go over all of your business things that you need. You got to run a business. Everything's in your back office there. You got several different websites actually for you guys. You got a customer website. You have a full website that has everything actually on it. You have a capture page site, okay, there and stuff. So you got a lot of different actually sites there. You got an estimator site, a lot of things there. And I'm gonna give you the price with the Financial Edge membership included as well. And a whole lot more is there, right? How about this for the business? $228.97. Write that down. $228.97 is the startup for the business. And that includes the Financial Edge membership. So that includes that $79.97. Okay. So it includes that also, $228.97. Now, here's what I want you to understand. One of the best part about it is once you start a business, you can potentially be eligible for tax deductions. That's what I know about. Okay. And you have what? One of the memberships is to help you to identify the ones you qualify for. The tax deductions. Now, remember I said that I traveled throughout the country and doing seminars and education and the tax practice for years, teaching people about everybody should have a home-based business. And the average, guys, national average is $300 to $600 on average a month in savings. Isn't $300 more than is $228.97? And your ongoing monthly cost for the business itself is $120. That includes the $79.97 Financial Edge membership plus $40 for your business. $40, guys, for your business. And remember, you refer 3 customers yourself, you don't even pay the $79.97 any longer. You're just paying the $40. But the tax savings can potentially cover the cost to run the business. I need you to understand that the people that have been very successful in here, especially the ones that started on the team, understand that part. All they're doing is using the taxes actually that they have and the savings that they have and put it towards the business and covering it. So it's no extra money at all. It covers the cost. But then the company actually say, you know what? We want to do something else. They're going to give a 30-day money-back guarantee. 30-day money-back guarantee that says, hey, if you follow the plan of action, and if the experts, okay, are not able to save or make you more money within your first 30 days, you can get a full refund. If you work with those experts, you do the training, you do all those things on the plan of action, and they're not able to save or make you more money than the business costs, that $120 a month, they give you a full refund, guys. They give you a full refund for doing it, if that's what you want. So there's no risk at all. That's what I like about this. There's no risk. Guys, we truly believe that we have the perfect business for you. We truly believe we got the perfect business for you. You're going to be able to potentially get an immediate tax deduction because having a business, immediate tax deduction, save on average $300 to $600 a month, national average. Refer other individuals to the company is all you do. You know people that need those core services. You just refer them. They get companies to work with them and help them and experts. Okay, because the expert's going to do all the work, not you, but you get to enjoy the rewards. You get to enjoy the rewards. Okay, that's the business, guys. That is the business. So we finish out this part of the service, right? Finish this part of the presentation. Now, what we're going to do, guys, is simple this, okay? We're going to roll into a Q&A. Okay, we're going to roll into a Q&A, question and answering. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and start typing those in now. I know we're on different platforms. We do the best we can as far as actually doing the questions, okay, there. So go ahead and start actually doing that and stuff. We can start answering the actual questions, okay? And while they're doing that, guys, you are basically 1 of 3 individuals, okay? You're 1 of 3 individuals that are there, guys. You're number 3 if this is just not for you. This is not the home business for you, okay? You might know that you need a home-based business, but this is not the business for you. You're number 3, no problem, okay? You're number 2 if you're saying, hey, you know what? I understand everything. This is good. I just need the membership though. $79.97. I need that membership to help me and the spouse. If you got to have them, that's $79.97. You're number 2. Or you're number 1 if you're saying, you know what? I need the business. I want the business. I want to partner up with you guys. Help me out. That's your number 1. What I want you to do is to get back with the person that shared this information with you. Some guys are got on their watch party right now. Somebody might have sent you a link right now, or you sent to me. Just get back with them. Okay. Get back with them. Okay. Get back with them. Because remember, we get paid for referring something. Get back with them. Just let them know you're 1, you're 2, you're 3. Either one is fine. Okay. You're 1, you're 2, or you're number 3. Get back with them, guys. And guys, we'll work with you all of the way. The company, myself and Testimony has been awesome. Okay. For me, even though I have a traditional company, traditional business doing very well and actually doing that over these years, but to be able to qualify for an additional 6-figure annual residual income, they give you the club ring here to actually prove that as well. You know, I'm proud to be the first in the company to actually get the ring, the first actually regional also as well in the company. So I'm doing it. And that's all about just helping other people. But the thing I like about it, I'm proud of having people on the team that's basically, again, making hundreds of dollars a month, $1,000, people on the team with the rings, making 6 figures a year and got more actually coming. Proud of that actually happening also as well. Okay. So just definitely get back with actually them guys so you can get started on the business today. With the day you start a business is the day you get the tax deductions as well. Okay. Questions going up. Okay. I do actually see one questions here. After the startup cost, what is the monthly cost? The monthly cost for the whole business, Lawrence, is $120, $79.97 for the Financial Edge membership, plus $40 for your business center. Okay, plus $40 for your business center. Now, if you refer 3 customer, Lawrence, remember you don't pay the $79.97 any longer as well. You're just paying $40. Okay, but let's go ahead and make it easy. Say $120 a month is the monthly. Okay, $228.97 startup cost, $120 a month. Okay, then they have the guarantee. But the goal is to have your tax savings to cover that. All right. Hope that help you out with that one. Next question. Will this help you not underpay taxes as well? I like that. Okay. The question is, will this help you not underpay? Now, we don't want to underpay because we don't want penalties. Okay. We do not want penalties. Penalties is extra money. Okay. So you do want to pay on time. Guys, here's the thing. We want you to pay your taxes. You have to pay your taxes. Okay. But you need to understand how to utilize tax strategies. You can be one of those ones also making a lot of money paying nothing in taxes. That's what I believe. You can be some making money and paying less in taxes as well. But you want to pay. We do not, right? Tax evasion, guys, is illegal. Okay. We do avoid because we put interest strategies. So you don't want to order. So the first strategy, one actually that we tell people is, hey, we try to get to the best. That W-4 form is designed so that you're not underpaying and you're not overpaying as well. But 70% of people are doing it wrong. That's why the experts do it for you. Okay. Great question. Great question. Any other questions, guys? Yes. Assets, all the experts in the business assets. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Martinez. I think it's asking questions also. I might not be able to see all of them. That's actually coming in and stuff like that. Thank you for asking some of the questions. If you're number 1, and okay, yes, definitely. Any more questions, guys? I got a couple more minutes before I leave out of here. I'm still in the office doing the tax returns, having people out, guys, saving people money on their taxes. And Ms. High, I hope that answered your question as well. I hope I did that well for you. Any other questions? Guys, this is one of the few times that we do a live presentation and Q&A. And simply of that, guys, our system on our team. Guys, we have our Fast Start training done by awesome leaders, guys, on Saturday mornings. Okay. We have our advanced training that I do advanced training on Sunday nights. Guys, our advanced training is not just financial, no, business mind. Teach you, you have a home business. You need to understand business itself. Okay, this is a real business. Okay, it's not get rich quick. This that. No, this is a real business. You have a membership with packed with value. We're going to teach you how to market that membership. Okay, and how to take care of your business. And I'm not talking about just business having, business, right? How to pay your taxes on time. Well, you have to have estimated tax. You have to have this. Great. Have to have that mindset. How you to schedule it. All of those things. Okay, that we have. That's on Sunday nights. Okay, that's on Sunday night. Go ahead and answer that question, Ashley Shane. Okay. That's on actually Sunday nights. All right. And then we have, of course, Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday, we do a presentation on Tuesday. We do another presentation on Wednesday. So all you do when we talk about everything done for you, you have people that want to, see the presentation. Guys, no, we do it for you. You just invite them to watch it on Facebook, on the YouTube channels. We're a team here. You invite your friends there. You share the videos. You share that. And guys, we answer the questions actually for them, like I'm doing actually now, and get them in. That's Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. Then the corporate, now that's aside for corporate. Corporate even have their own training. So you have a team helping you out, and you have a training, okay, from corporate. Corporate have the academy, the business academy in the back office. Okay. They have the business academy in the back office. Big time actual training there. They also have a leadership actually live actual training on Monday nights. Okay. At 8:30. They have a product training. Guys, every product that we have, those 4 core services, every Thursday, okay? Like the first Thursday is about tax. Second Thursday is about credit. Third Thursday is about the private reserve account. The fourth Thursday is about the land banking. Yeah, the second is credit and debt, okay, on together. But all of those in detail, different things in education. Remember, I say we just don't do it for you, but the education is the key as well. Thursday nights, guys. That's our Financial Edge University. So those are things actually that you actually have. Guys, right there, isn't that worth more than $40 for just the business centers and everything else? Oh, guys, it's just crazy as far as that business value. Question, once a person refers 3, that is a member only. Yes, they are membership. That is correct. As long as that person has 3, Daryl, they have 3 customers, their membership is free. They're only paying $40 a month. If you're in a business and you always have 3 customers there, you're only paying $40 a month. Yep. To run this type of business with this type of opportunity. Yeah. All right. Next one. To what extent are taxes looked at and prepared with the Financial Edge membership? Okay. All right. Tax exchange are not prepared within the Financial Edge membership. Okay. It's not prepared. We have a lot of financial specialists and enrolled agents and stuff in the company also as well, actually there. So MWR Financial itself does not prepare taxes. There are individuals that are part of the company that do have tax offices, okay, that we can actually share with you, or you're going to meet and you're going to see that they do the taxes. However, we do have affiliates to help individuals as far as tax resolution, meaning tax help. You see those things online all the time. They say pennies of the dollar, the offering compromise, all that kind of stuff. Save money. Come to MWR Financial. Same stuff, same things with stuff like that, guys, is done for you. Stopping liens, levies, all of that kind of stuff like that, okay? I've heard some potential customers say they do their taxes, HR, and that's fine. I mean, we don't stipulate what customers want to actually get their taxes done at. They can go to any tax professional and do it. What we do is on the education, if they're going to go to get the taxes done, regardless of where they're going to get the taxes done at, we're going to give them the education so that they know what to look for. They're good and they're bad tax professionals. Okay? They are. They're good and bad. We're going to let them know the real deal. That's when the unlimited Q&A comes from. Unlimited Q&A. We prepare them. We're going to be doing actual call of the best practices and the best things and what to look out for when you go into a tax professional. All of those things that actually happen actually here. The whole thing is people don't know what they don't know. Okay, so individuals that have gone to tax professionals and this tax professionals have done something and the tax professionals is in jail or whatever it is and stuff like that. Some of them don't know. Some of them did stuff wrong themselves. Okay, some of them actually did something wrong themselves. So, but it's good to have somebody to go to make sure that you are okay and things are done the right way. That's why we also do the review. Okay, so we do, if your tax is already done, what does come within the membership, if your tax is already done, you got them done at the block, whatever you actually say to here, right? If they're already done, how about sending your taxes, upload them to your system? That's included, that you have our staff looking at them, going through them to make sure that, hey, legal, ethically, make sure, hey, maybe they could have did this and got more money back. Hey, they need to watch out for this. This right here is a red flag right here. They get that type of actual stuff as well included in there. Now, ask a CPA or an enrolled agent. I'm not even talking about regular actual tax people. How much would they charge to review your tax returns? Guys, we charge here, okay, my office enrolled agents, $300 an hour for the consultation. And we get it all day long. And I've been hearing from my you know, financial friends and stuff like that in the business, that I'm still cheap, okay, at $300 an hour because they charge actually more, okay, than that. But to have that same level of service, same service included in the membership, that's why the value is huge. That's why individuals are able to market this membership like crazy left and right. Yes, we do actually help organizations. Organizations can refer individuals. Okay. I mean, think about that for a second. If you're an organization, whether nonprofit or for profit, okay, that's there, and you got membership actually there. You can refer your membership there. That you can invite them to our presentations here. We can do another one-on-one presentation actually for your members, actually whatever it is, and explain to them actually details of actually what's going on. But the bottom line is they can get help, but the money goes to the organization. How about that? Okay, because we have organizations join. We have churches that's actually part of the membership as well. Okay, Bishop Dingle and all them and stuff is actually doing very well. Actually there as well. All right. The questions, I don't see any flowing around. Sound flow up. We at 9:31. We have been going for an hour. Awesome. We've been going for an hour, guys. Remember, guys, we are back here, guys. We are back here, guys, tomorrow. Okay. Another presentation done by one of our awesome leaders. It's going to be at 8:30 on tomorrow, guys. Get with that person. Also, well, got invited. You want to get with them, guys, because if you're going to sign up now so you can invite some people that on tomorrow night at 8:30, and we're going to actually do it all over again. Okay, guys? And guys, as always, with that being said, this is T-Hawk, and I'm out. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.